Burundi is rapidly entering the digital economy, where businesses are adopting intelligent technologies to modernize operations and improve growth. Organizations in Burundi are replacing outdated systems with intelligent enterprise technologies for faster and smarter operations. SAP Signavio helps businesses analyze workflows, reduce inefficiencies, and improve operational performance. Through intelligent process optimization, SAP LeanIX gives organizations complete visibility into IT systems and helps simplify complex enterprise technology landscapes. SAP Business AI enables automation, predictive insights, smarter decisions, and enhanced customer experiences across industries. SAP technologies are helping organizations improve efficiency, they are helping reduce costs, and accelerate sustainable growth. Driving real digital transformation, SAP Signavio and LeanIX are helping Eastern African enterprises. They become more agile, intelligent, and globally competitive. Transform your enterprise with Prompt Edify and SAP Intelligent Solutions built for the future of Eastern Africa.